Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2010 government pass question. Question number 22. And the question says, who was the political head of the old Oyo Empire? Who was the political head of the old Oyo Empire? And this question is coming from colonial administration in Nigeria. And option A, Aremo; B, Oyomesi; C, Alafin; D, Bashorun. When we talk of Aremo, is the first son of the king. Then Oyomesi is the law maker or kingmaker. Then Alafin is known as Alafin of Oyo, and he was the political head of the. Then Bashorun is a warlord, and so option C is correct. So the political head of the old Oyo Empire was Alafin of Oyo. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.